Saturday, the 27th of August. The Cumbrian Mountain Express from Crewe to Carlisle, and I should have been there to film it. But it just happened to be my birthday, and I had arranged to spend a few days with a friend in the Lake District doing some healthy walking and unhealthy eating and drinking. On the Saturday, we enjoyed a not too demanding walk around Rydal Water. Finishing in the Badger Bar. The River Rothay flows from Grasmere into Rydal Water, and we took a breather beside it to watch the ducks pestering the humans for food, and the humans enjoying the cool water on this very hot day. Our walk had taken us along part of the Coffin Route, a medieval corpse road that was once used to transport dead bodies to their final resting place at St. Oswald's Church in Grasmere. As we had to get back to Barrow-in-Furness, get changed out of sweaty walking gear and into something more respectable for my birthday dinner, we didn't have time to continue to Grasmere Lake and Village. But I was able to have a look at them from 400 feet above the River Rothay. A last look at Heron Island and Rydal Water before heading for the pub. Sunday saw us heading for Millom on the Dodden estuary. Millom New Town was built in 1866. The Hodbarrow iron mines began extracting ore from deposits by the seashore. The first shafts were sunk in the 1850s. By 1881, there were 7 pits operated by the Hodbarrow Mining Company. Subsidence led to flooding by the sea, and so the Hodbarrow Outer Barrier or seawall was completed in 1905 to protect the mines from the sea. It took 5 years to construct. Two earlier barriers had been breached by the sea as a result of subsidence. Barrow and Furness can be seen in the distance. And we can just spot the outermost windmills of the giant Walney wind farm, until recently the biggest in the United Kingdom. Haverig Prison was built on the site of a Second World War airfield. The lagoon, enclosed by the outer barrier, is now used for a wide variety of water sports and holiday activities.